Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be making some Indian tea. So for that I need a cup of water right here, some milk, a cup of milk, so it's going to be half and half because I'm making 2 cups for my parents, some sugar for my dad, tea leaves, some ginger and cardamom to add some flavor, and a tea fry pan. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the tea and the milk in the microwave for a couple minutes so that it heats up and the cooking process is fast. Next, I'm gonna take the tea pan and put it on the stove at medium to high heat over there. And then I'm gonna wait for that to heat up a little bit before taking the water out at approximately 1 minute left and pouring it into the pan. So now there's about a minute left on the 2-minute timer that I put. I'm gonna grab the water cup and put it into the tea pan that is being heated up right now. So the water's in, and then I'm gonna close the microwave back up to put the tea, to let the milk heat up a bit more. And then now I'm gonna crush one of these up, one of the cardamom seeds up, and put that in the water and let it just boil so the water kind of has that flavor. And then I'm gonna grate some ginger into there for additional flavor. I've added the ginger and the cardamom in there, and it's been in here for like 30-ish seconds, but I don't wanna burn anything. So I'm just gonna grab about a spoonful, so a spoon and a half, so I'll start with a half spoon. And then, well, I guess I'll just do it in half spoons, so 3 half spoons of tea leaves right now. And then, so the milk is done, so I'm just gonna put it in for another 30 seconds because I'm not ready to put it into the entire thing yet. I'll put in the milk once you can already see the color of the water starting to get a bit more brown. So once it's a bit hotter, I'll add the milk and then we'll continue from there. Now I can smell the aroma of the tea leaves being cooked, like not cooked, but like heated up. So I'm gonna grab the milk real quick and then just pour it in. So now it's a lot lighter of a color. I'm gonna turn down the heat just a tad. And now, once the milk starts to bubble a bit and the flavors start to kind of get in there, I'll take it off the stove, strain it, and put it into the 2 cups for my parents. So yeah, I'll give you an update once it starts to bubble to show you what it looks like. So now, as you can see, the tea's starting to bubble a little bit. This might take some time, but it starts to bubble. And this is kind of the reason that I preheated this stuff. So it would take longer if I just took it straight, like the milk straight out of the fridge or the water straight out of the tap and put it in. But now it's starting to arise, and we want to make sure that it doesn't rise above the top of the pan. Otherwise, that's not good, and that's a lot of work to clean up. So I'll let it cook for a little bit, and you can start smelling the flavors of the tea. And then I'll strain it and give it to my parents. So now I feel that the tea has been cooked pretty well, and I'm gonna strain it. I have no idea how else to show you guys the straining process because I need both hands for it. So I grab the strainer, and then I grab the tea, and then I just pour the tea through until it reaches the desired height for the cup. And to kind of even it out, I fill it partway to the top, and then I switch cups, and then fill that one to about the same level. And then whatever tea I have left, I try to balance it out between the two so it's pretty even. And yeah, I'd say I did a pretty good job in making them even. So now the tea leaves are all dried up and basically they can't be used anymore. So for now, I'll just leave it in here. But in the cleaning process, I rinse out the tea pan with water and then pour all of that water back through the strainer until all the tea leaves are in here. And then I throw that into the trash. For the final step, my mom's diabetic, so she doesn't take her tea with sugar, but my dad, he usually has like half a spoon of sugar, so I'm just gonna put that in his and then stir it around. And voila, you have Indian tea, also known as chai. So quick reflection here at the end. It isn't my first time making tea, but it's a process that I do pretty frequently for my parents just to help my mom out a little bit. It's pretty rewarding because I can help my parents and give them something that they enjoy. I honestly love cooking, and it's a new experience for me, and it's helping me get ready for college and whatever new things that might happen. So see you next time.